Are you ready to step into the future? A future where artificial intelligence and Python unlock endless possibilities. At the International School of Cardoba in Talagang, we're thrilled to announce a transformative 10-week course that will launch you into a world of innovation and opportunity. Python is the go-to language for AI and machine learning, thanks to its simple, readable syntax and powerful libraries like TensorFlow and Keras. These tools make it easy for beginners to dive in while equipping you to tackle real-world challenges. Whether you're dreaming of a new career or simply curious about technology, this course is your starting point. This isn't just an AI course, it's the dawn of AI innovation in District Talagang. Starting June 2, 2025, at 8:30 a.m., you'll embark on a journey to master Python programming and AI fundamentals. You'll learn to build intelligent systems, analyze data, and create solutions for industries like healthcare, finance, entertainment, and education. These skills are in high demand, opening doors to exciting career paths. Our classes are engaging and hands-on, with 3 weekly sessions followed by evening online practical classes to reinforce your learning. Our experienced instructors will guide you every step of the way, ensuring you feel supported in a comfortable environment. The best part? The first 3 classes are open to everyone, no admission required. Come, ask questions, meet the team, and see if this course aligns with your goals. We believe education should be for all. This course welcomes students, professionals, homemakers, and anyone seeking a fresh start. If you've finished your education but feel unfulfilled, or if you're working just to make ends meet, this could be your golden opportunity. We especially encourage females and housewives to join and feel Westbrook. Bring your friends. Learning together is even more rewarding. Feeling left behind in today's fast-paced tech world? Want to be a creator, not just a spectator? This course is your chance to shine. Located in the heart of Talagang, the International School of Cardoba is easily accessible. No tech experience? No problem. This beginner-friendly course requires only a willingness to learn and a laptop for practical sessions. Wondering if you need to be a tech expert? Absolutely not. Python's low entry barrier and our supportive instructors make this course perfect for beginners. With a vast community backing Python, you'll have endless resources to grow. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. Join our open classes starting June 2, 2025 at 8:30 a.m. Bring your friends, family, or anyone curious about shaping their future with AI and Python. Even if you're studying elsewhere, drop by an open class to explore what's possible. The International School of Cardoba Talagang is where your journey begins. The journey of 1,000 miles starts with one step. Take that step with us. Together, let's build a future filled with learning, innovation, and success. We can't wait to see you at the International School of Cardoba Talagang, Inshallah.